Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So in this device I already enabled this menu. You can see this is the accessibility shortcut menu. You can move this menu anywhere on the screen. So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option additional settings. Tap on this one, then tap on accessibility, then tap on accessibility menu. Now to enable this accessibility shortcut menu, we need to turn on this option. After that you can see this menu here. So if you tap on this one, you will get some shortcuts. You can see assistant, accessibility settings, power, volume down. If you tap on this one, you can see the music volume is decreasing. If you want the volume up, then tap on this one, it's increasing. Right, if you go to the next page, here also you can see some options. If you tap on screenshot, the screenshot is captured. So simply in this way you can enable and you can use the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.